Right, so let me repeat. So your quiz and your finals will be tatlong papers. No? One is a model on ARIMA. The next one is a model on GARCH, Generalized Autoregressive Conditional Heteroscedasticity. So, and the third one is panel regression. Okay, I'm going to upload my lecture on panel data regression, but guys, ang suggestion ko is kahit hindi ko pa napopost siya, maraming YouTube videos that gives instructions on how to model panel data. What's the difference between a time series and a panel data? Pag sinabing time series, guys, it looks at a specific unit. Okay, kunyari Apple stock prices, no? Or Google stock prices. And then tapos taken at different points in time. On the other hand, ang cross-sectional, alam natin yung guys na you take a look at one individual unit, okay, taken at one specific point in time. Ang panel data, guys, it's a combination of several units, okay, taken at several points in time. Okay, so yun ang panel data. So ang i-model nyo guys, one is ARIMA. This is the easiest kasi may auto.arima function naman. So you have to write your model. Okay? Tapos you have to check the residuals. No? Kung dapat yung residuals ng ARIMA model natin should be already white noise. Okay? Pero since stock prices yung minomodel natin, expect that hindi white noise yung kakalabasan. But that's okay. No? That's okay. Expected natin yun na kapag returns ng stocks, hindi white noise yan. Okay? May mga autocorrelation na lalabas outside the confidence interval level. But that's okay, no? So ang gagawin natin, magse-second model tayo, i-model natin whatever you model in your ARIMA, you'll model it in GARCH. So parang connected yung dalawa. But please have separate files about this. No? And lastly is your panel data regression. So sa panel data regression, tatlo yung pinaka-most pooled, okay, pooled or fixed effects or random effects. Okay, these are the three models na tinitingnan kapag panel data regression. So I expect you to test muna kung pwede bang pooled effects yung panel data nyo. And then may mga test din kung fixed effects ba siya o random effects. Okay? Ang pinakamadali dyan guys yung pooled. Okay? Pooled data natin. Ano ginagawa pag pooled data? Pag pooled, pinatanggal yung effects ng time series. Parang ano lang siya, parang cross-sectional series. Ibig sabihin, hindi relevant yung yung time series doon. Okay? Yung susunod guys, fixed effects or random effects. Okay, I will not lecture now, but I'm going to post a video. And then of course guys, don't limit yourselves to my discussion. Ang dami-dami guys at your disposal sa internet, napakarami ng lectures on panel data regression. Now make sure guys that your data, reflect your data here sa panel data regression. Ilagay nyo rin yung URL kung saan gagaling o kaya if it will come from R mismo, kung anong data set. Kasi pwede nyo rin gamitin yung mga data set sa R. Meron din. No? Kaso I would not encourage that kasi parang konti lang. No? Now make sure guys na hindi lang kayo kung nagkokopya ng model sa sa internet kasi malalaman ko yan. No? So work on it on your own. Of course, may mga pattern naman kayong pwedeng gamitin on how to do the modeling. Siyempre, unang-una, kunyari sa ARIMA, download the stocks. No? Pwede nyo i-download 3 stocks at a time. Hey, I would give a premium guys kung at least one of the stocks, dun sa 3 stocks, is a Philippine stock. So medyo ang challenge nga lang yan, yung pag-download ng data, paghanap ng data. Kasi sa PSA, no, sa Philippine Stock Exchange, hindi sila masyadong complete yung pag-ano ng But you can use Icon. You can use Icon. Have you used Icon before? Paki-chat nga please, guys.
No, sir.
Hindi pa ka nagagamit ng icon. Okay. May database tayo, free database yun guys. You can access it sa library. And you can download stock prices ng sa icon. Okay? Or, okay, let me see guys kung, tingnan ko guys kung nasa sa akin pa yung mga stock prices ng ano ng ibang students, no? And then I'll just post it, then you choose. But I can't guarantee that kasi hindi ko alam kung nasa akin pa yung mga stock prices na yan. Okay, may request dito na include the ano daw? Sorry. Include the instructions sa recording. Sige, thank you yan. Okay, ang instructions guys, di ba? You're going to do as a group, no? This is a group work. You're going to, number one, choose your data. Okay? Lalagyan nyo kung ano yung data na yun dito. Tapos, imo-model niya siya. Yung data stock prices, no? Stock prices yung data. May sample naman tayo, guys. Di ba, ginawa na natin to. So, this should not be very difficult for you. Parang bonus na nga lang itong Arima time series na to, no? But when you do it, guys, make sure na parang treat it like an instruction manual. What I mean is you define your steps, and then so ilalagay niyo yung code doon, tapos you will define the output kung ano nangyari doon sa code na yun. So it's like a step-by-step process. Hindi yung mga ginawa nyo dati doon sa multiple regression na some of you just submitted the codes, no? Hindi yan ang hinahanap ko, guys. Ang hinahanap ko, andyan yung codes, and then you will explain the process. Okay, kung anong result ng code na to. Okay, if this is descriptive statistics, kinuha niyo yung average or standard deviation ng series na yon. Okay, siyempre pag rinan niyo yung code na yun, di ba, may output. Okay, and then explain what you can glean, what you understand, or what you see from the output. So it's like a parang handbook siya or an instructional manual, so that whoever will use this, makikita, mararan yung code, reproducible siya in the sense that pag-rinan niya yung data o makukuha niya yung data, pag-rinan niya yung mga codes, tapos makikita niya explanations niya, maiintindihan, okay? They will understand the steps that you're going through. Okay? All right, so that's for the time series, yung tatlong stocks na yun. So ibig sabihin, mag-generate kayo ng tatlong Arima models, no? Usually Arima yan kasi definitely yung stock prices na yan, hindi stationary yan. So you will have to do some transformation. Okay? You can do first, ang gamitin nga pala guys, use log returns. Hindi ko dito. Use log returns. Use log returns. Okay. So itong model 1 guys, you'll just extend that to go to Garch. So siyempre, ipapakita nyo guys na kailangan yung Garch model dito sa step 1, sa group 1. Bakit kailangan? Kasi pag print nyo yung autocorrelation function niya, remember from the TSM package, ginawa natin to dati sa sa Arima. If you recall guys, okay, or you can refer to the ones that we made, there's this TSM package on time series. Tapos may ano siya, may function na AC, autocorrelation. Tapos sabay nang pinapakita si ACF at saka PACF, so that you don't have to plot the ACF and the PACF separately. Pwede nang isang code lang pwede na. Okay, then you do the Garch kung ano man yung data na ginamit nyo dito sa Arima. Okay? And I guarantee you, I'm assured 100% malamang, 99.99% na yung model na ginamit nyo dito sa Arima, most probably may volatility yan. May volatility clustering. Okay? Kasi pag may volatility clustering guys, hindi sufficient ang Arima. Ibig sabihin, hindi nakaka-capture yung variance. hindi constant yung variance. Constant yung mean niya, wala siyang trend, wala siyang seasonality, okay, pero makakakita kayo ng volatility clustering. Ibig sabihin, may mga portions dun sa ano nyo, sa plot ng time series ng model nyo na may mga concentration ng mga matataas yung ano yung variability. Okay? Are you getting me, guys? Paki-chat nga kung naiintindihan. Naiintindihan niyo ako?
Yes, sir.
Okay, kasi remember guys, pag open na yung ARIMA, pag minodel niyo yung ARIMA guys, tapos yung tinignan niyo residuals niya, kinuha niyo yung autocorrelation, tapos white noise na, naalala niyo yung white noise? Yung autocorrelation function natin, hindi na lumalampas dun sa bands. Okay, ibig sabihin white noise na yon. Okay, sometimes serious ganun kasi hindi naman nagkakaroon ng volatility clustering. Pero pag stock prices guys, sigurado yan guys may volatility clustering. So hindi yung stock price pala, yung returns, no? Yung returns ang tinitingnan natin. Okay, so that will now bring you to the next step, which is to model the GARCH. Yung GARCH, ang min-model niya, yung variance, yung variability. No? Okay, so ang GARCH 11, definitely guys, I'm sure then mag-GARCH 11 lang kayo. No? Ang GARCH 11, it's supposed to model yung residuals squared, yung past one value ng residual squared, at saka plus yung volatility, yung sigma squared na past one value. Okay? Right, so be sure to know what an arch model is, arch Q, and then a GARCH P at saka Q. P and Q. Okay? Yung arch guys, yun yung pinakasimple. Yung pinakasimpleng model yan. Ang minomodel lang yan guys, yung arch Q. Usually arch 1 yan is the error squared. No? So parang ganito yung model. Sigma squared is equal to a certain constant plus epsilon sub t squared, bali alpha 1 times yan. Okay, sorry for just writing it here. Okay, just to clarify, no, para may guided kayo. Of course, guys, please read. Kasi usually, guys, yung sa mga research, gamit na gamit to, no? Yung maraming nagre-research na nag-GARCH, okay? So marami din researches na ginagamit yung panel data. So at least pag nagsimula na kayo ng research, medyo familiar kayo sa mga methodologies na to. Okay, so pag pag GARCH, so ito arch 1 to guys kasi minomodel natin yung errors, no, squared. Unlike ARIMA guys, ang ARIMA kasi di ba, ang MA model, ang minomodel natin yung epsilon sub t. Epsilon sub t, dapat ito mali. Sorry, epsilon sub t minus 1. Hey. Pwede bang na subscript? Kasi yung subscript niya. Kasi yung subscript niya. Ano ba yung subscript to? Hindi ko bisado. Okay, anyway. So itong epsilon t minus 1, this is past value, di ba? One log ng past value. Pero naka-square siya. Error squared. Unlike pag MA process, guys, epsilon sub t minus 1 lang. Alala nyo? Yun ang ARIMA model, guys. So, ang min-model natin yung errors at saka yung past values of itself. Okay? By sub t minus 1 at saka epsilon sub t minus 1, that's your ARMA 11. Itong arch 1, guys, ang min-model natin yung variance, no? Sigma squared. Okay, unlike guys, pag ARIMA, ang min-model natin yung time series, so y sub t. Okay, y sub t. Kunyari, ito yung time series natin. So sa ARIMA guys, ang min-model natin yung time series itself. Okay? Y sub t ang min-model natin. Sa arch at saka GARCH guys, ito yung min-model natin, sigma squared. Okay? Bakit natin kailangan tumuloy sa arch or sa GARCH guys? Kasi hindi sufficient yung ARIMA modeling natin. It's not sufficient. No? Kasi may mga volatility clustering. Kaya pupunta tayo ngayon sa GARCH. Alright? Ang ano pala, ang GARCH. So this is arch 1. So ang GARCH 1.1, okay, ang GARCH 1.1 guys will now include plus beta 1, ito yung coefficient times, okay, yung sigma natin, sigma t minus 1, t minus 1 squared. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung paano kinukuha yung, saan ba dito yung ano? Yung subscript. Would you know guys, yung subscript dito sa ano? Hindi ko kabisado dito sa ano eh. Anyone knows? Para mas klaro lang. Okay, saan siya? Format? Meron ba sa format? Anyone knows guys how to do the subscript? Dati alam ko yun eh. Kasi hindi ko masyadong ginagamit dito kasi yung Google spreadsheet. Anyway guys, ito epsilon sub t minus 1 yan squared. No? So as I said guys, whereas kasi kunyari yung ARIMA natin, no? A sub O plus theta 1 times E sub t minus 1, E sub t minus 1. Di ba guys, yung AR process natin, this is actually an MA process. No? Kasi, kulang ako dito. So, okay. So, a certain constant plus the error term plus the coefficient of the error, log 1 error term. So this is an MA1 model, diba? If you recall. Okay? Tapos kung AR1 model yan, ang ano natin, ang predictor natin is Y sub t minus 1. Okay, siyempre may error term din, may E sub t. So this is your MA1 model. Okay, konting review lang guys ha. Ang AR1 model natin would be okay, Y sub t din. Y sub t, copy natin to. Okay. So instead of theta 1, we have ang ginagamit, di ba? It's phi 1. Symbol lang naman yan guys, no? Symbol, yung symbol na phi. Or pwedeng B1, no? And then this is Y sub t minus 1. Okay? So if you recall guys, ganito yung ano natin, ganito yung AR1 model natin, ito yung MA1 model natin. Ang minomodel natin dito is yung Y sub t, no? While on the other hand, dito ang minomodel natin yung variance. Okay? Kasi nga guys, kaya tayo nagtutuloy sa sa GARCH is because our model cannot capture yung volatility. And perfect example nga dito sa mga stock prices, yung returns ng stock prices. Okay? So I hope that's clear guys, yung explanation na yan. So ganito yung mangyayari dyan. No? Yung offshoot nyo, pag nag-ARIMA kayo dito, okay? Tapos pupunta kayo ngayon, when you model the residuals, you'll see that hindi siya white noise. Okay, so you'll have to go to Garch. Okay, and use the RU Garch package kasi napakadali guys pag ginagamit yung RU Garch package. I don't expect you to use other kasi may mga iba't ibang klase ng Garch. May T-Garch, may I-Garch, may F-Garch, may GJR Garch. Okay, stick to the basic lang, yung Garch lang. Okay, but if you want, of course, to do some additional na or expand your knowledge a bit, pwede nyo gamitin yung ibang Garch, no? But ang expectation ko sa inyo, yung pinaka-basic Garch lang. Lastly, guys, yung panel regression din. So, siyempre, magdi-descriptive statistics muna kayo sa data nyo, and then do the usual modeling ng panel data regression. Titingnan nyo muna, mag-test nyo muna Lagrange yata yung test, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan, Lagrange yung test, para malaman kung pooled ba talaga. And then mag-Chow's test kayo para malaman kung random effects model. And then finally, ano yung last test? I forgot the name of the test. Pero that will test now yung fixed effects nyo. Okay, para malaman nyo guys kung ano ba talagang method ang gagamitin. Pooled, fixed effects, or random effects. Okay, the group presentation, so we will budget mga 30 to 45 minutes per group. So, explain nyo sa akin, kayong tatlo, guys. Mag-zoom tayo. And then you will explain to me yung what you did dito sa tatlong models na to. Okay, and then you submit to me the RMD file. Kung kailangan yung data, if it's external, kung ano naman, sa Arima at saka sa Garch, I don't expect a data output from you kasi manggagaling nga sa quant mode. So you will be downloading from Yahoo Finance. Okay, so I was thinking guys, magbo-bonus points lang ako dito pag yung isang stock nyo dito is Philippine stock. No? Okay, so sana isang Philippine stock kayo dito. Tapos yung dalawa pwedeng galing na sa Yahoo Finance. Okay, may questions ba, class? May questions about the instructions on how to go about this?
None, sir.
None. Okay, so we will not have any discussion today. So ang gusto ko, mag-meet kayo, okay? Mag-meeting na kayo, mag-exchange na kayo ng mga email addresses. Ito nga pala yung mga email addresses, no? Except for Latif, I don't have her email addresses. Kunin nyo na yung mga email addresses ng ano nyo. Okay, and then you already communicate among yourselves. And then the sooner, guys, that you put here the data, the better. First come, first serve, guys. Honesty principle na rin tayo. Pag nakita nyo napili na yung stocks na yun, okay, huwag nyo nang pipiliin, guys, yung mga stocks na diniscuss natin sa class. Okay, hindi na pwede yan. Okay, any questions?
None, sir.
Okay, paki-check nga guys kung clear so far yung mga instructions. Okay, thank you, Aubrey. Okay, Sabrina, Masahito, thank you. Of course, thank you. Yung iba, guys. Matthew, salamat. Oh, thank you, Jeline. Yan, thank you. Chadwick, salamat. Okay, good. Gerald, thank you. Ayan, dyan pala si Gerald. Gerald, nasa group 7 ka ha? Dito. Andito na ba si ano? Andito na rin si Rafi, andito na rin. Is Rafi here? Is Rafi here? How about si Aziza? Sino nakakakilala kay Aziza? Okay, those of you who know her, pakisabihan na na may grouping sign na anyway, I'll also post this sa Canvas, no? para may instructions. Okay, so let's see guys kung next meeting Okay, I'm either okay, kung hindi man tayo makapag-meet kasi mag-focus kayo diyan, no? I'll just gusto ko sana mag-isang session tayo on on SEM, introduction to SEM lang. Kasi ngayon nauuso na rin yung ginagamit yung SEM sa sa research paper. Okay, so nakailang advices na ako na panay structural equation model yung ginagamit. So if it's okay with you on Thursday, that's what we can do. Or if you'll be busy with your siguro magpo-post na lang ako ng ng video on introduction to structural equation modeling. Okay. All right. Are there any questions, class?
None, sir.
Okay, none. Okay. If you have any concerns, PM lang guys, ha? PM lang sa akin. Okay, thank you. Will it be okay to consult? Yes, of course. Of course. Yan, no problem. Yan, paki-share yung yung screen. Okay lang na yung message mo. You can consult with me. Pero do not ask for the answer, guys, ha? Kailangan you try to figure that out for yourself. Siguro clarification lang. Okay, yes, Jeline, what's your question?
Hi sir, okay lang po ba humingi ng links kung saan kami pwede maghanap ng stock prices?
Yung stock prices sa yung quant mode natin. Doon na kayo kukuha, quant mode.
Sa quantum. Quantum?
Quant mode, hindi nyo ba naalala yung quant mode? Quant mode. Ilang beses na natin na-meet yan, di ba?
Quant mode.
Oo.
Okay, okay.
Oo, di ba? Kasi automatic yan eh. Okay, example sandali. May nakabukas ba ako ng R dito? Okay, let me see kung may nakabukas ako ng R. Ito yung model, yung ARIMA model natin, guys. Ito. Sa atin to eh. Okay, di ba ito yun? Dali, let me see. Okay, ito. Yung quant mode package, iba, it allows us to download stock prices very quickly.
Yes.
So, ang dami rin tutorials guys ng quant mode. So, hindi kayo mawawala, no? Andali,
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anyway, I just like to answer that question. But thank you, Jeline, for that question. Okay, that's a very important question. May ipapakita lang ako sa inyo dito, guys, ha? Asan ba siya? Okay, nag-simulation tayo dun eh. Pero dito, yung last part ng natin, hindi ko lang alam kung siguro diniscuss ko ba to on a Friday nung hindi ako nakapag-meet sa inyo. Tapos, pero pinost ko to sa guys, ha? Pinost ko to sa natin, sa natin, sa Canvas. Okay, ito guys, oh. Okay, yan. Get symbols. Get symbols. Apple from 2014-001 to 2021. Okay, siguro gantong time frame na rin gamitin natin guys, no? January 1, 2014 hanggang December 31. So that means 8 years. 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 8 years. Okay, itong function na to guys from the quant mode package. Okay, so example lang ha. Okay, with this one command, then mada-download na yun, no? Yan na. Yung Apple data natin. Yan, no? Yan, Apple. So if you take a look at this, yata kayo naka-attend yung session na yun, yung diniscuss ko. Yan. And then just use the Apple adjusted prices. Okay, so let me just show you dito guys, yung nag-auto ARIMA tayo. Yung nag-auto ARIMA tayo dito, ang lumabas, ARIMA 520. Of course, ang ginamit natin dito yung yung nag-differencing siya ng 2 beses. Sa 520. Tapos nung guys, nung finorcast na natin, the future value. Okay, take a look at this. Ito na yung autocorrelation function ng natin, ng autocorrelation ng residuals ng model natin. Okay, tingnan nyo guys. look, may mga significant ano pa, lags, no? May mga significant. So ibig sabihin yung Arima natin, kahit best model na yun, hindi niya na kuha lahat, no? Hindi niya na predict talaga. Let me see. Kasi kung okay, hindi ko pa na-run yung rest dito. Okay, wala. Hindi ko pa na-run yung residuals. Okay, anyway, so let me just show you. Just to give you an idea. Okay, ito, no? Model 2. Nag-auto Arima tayo. Kaso si Apple, asan si Apple? Dapat si Apple, yung AAPL. Makakatulong guys yung notes natin dito. So I suggest that you review this. Okay, so dito, we converted yung AAPL to small AAPL. There. Okay, so ang tawag na ngayon ng model ng data frame natin is AAPL na. Okay, so AAPL is the same as big AAPL. Okay, pero ang gagawin natin, ang kukunin lang natin yung adjusted. So ito guys, no? AAPL is assigned to AAPL, then yung ano lang, yung sixth column lang. Okay, so if I look at AAPL now, diba, yung adjusted na lang siya. Tapos yan ang imamodel natin. Yung adjusted close. Okay? Then pinalitan ko yung column names. Ginawa kong ADJ. Okay, so tingnan niyo to. ADJ na siya, no? And then imamodel natin. Okay, of course it's good to plot yung returns natin. So let me plot that. Okay, you can use this chart series na from the quant mode package. Okay, tingnan nyo guys. Ito yung returns. So definitely hindi natin pwedeng ma-model to, no, ng as is ng Arima, no, kasi it's not stationary. Pero sabi ko nga ngayon guys, with the auto.arima function, so may auto.arima na tayo, eh. Okay, pwede na nating malaman kung ano yung best model, no? Ito. Pero ang minodel niya dito yung ano yung difference, no? Difference. So dapat alam niyo guys yung difference data series at saka yung log transform. So let me just run this, itong model 2. Okay. So nag-auto.arima ako. So, lumalabas guys na ang pinaka best model is Arima 520, which means 5 values of itself, yung past values niya, tapos dalawang differencing, okay, and walang MA model. So ito yung AR1 ng double difference na data. Ito AR2, AR3, AR4, AR5. But please take note that this is no longer the this is no longer the AAPL data, kasi pag na-difference na yung AAPL, pag na-difference na siya, ibang series na yon, no? Okay, let me illustrate. So let me run DAAPL, which is difference AAPL. Okay, dito sa difference DAAPL, tapos i-view na lang natin ang direction. View DAAPL. Okay, take a look at this. Run ko yung oops. Wala na, nag-enter na ako dun. Ayan na pala. Okay. Right, take a look at DAAPL. Okay. Hindi na siya yung AAPL kanina, guys, no? Ito yung AAPL. So ang difference AAPL, di ba ima-minus siya, no? 17.11 minus 17.49. Dinifference niya. Okay, so may NA tayo dito. No? Ayan. No? Tapos, then we have difference and difference AAPL. Kasi dalawang differencing daw, sabi ni ano, di ba? Sabi ni na model natin, yung integration niya dalawa. Okay, so this is the difference of the difference ng AAPL. So this is what happened, guys. No? Nagkaroon tayo ng second differencing. That's the best model daw. Kailangan i-difference pa ulit. So, difference ulit siya ng na-difference na. Okay, so if you view this, difference, AAPL. Okay, so notice guys, dalawang differencing na siya. No? So, DDAAPL. Okay, ang kailangan, ang gusto natin yan, yung DDAAPL, yung less minus yung 2 sorry. So dapat dito nag-difference na tayo. No? Okay, mali ako dito guys. Ang minus lang na dito yung row 2. So dapat pala rows 1 and 2 ang minus niya. DDAPL. Tatanggalin din natin yung row 1. So dapat dito row 1 and row 2 yung minus niya. Oops, sorry. Mali. DDAAPL. DDAAPL. Then minus 1 means tatanggalin yung yung row 1. Yan. Oops. Yan, nawala na yung nawala na yung mga NA. So ang ginawa ni ang sabi ni ni R, kailangan i-difference muna yung data na 2 times. So ito na yun guys, yung double differencing. So ito na yung minomodel natin. So this is what we're modeling now. We're no longer modeling yung AAPL na returns. No? Hindi na to. Ito na, double difference na. And there's a way to go back to the original. Okay? So nung dinifference yan, tinignan natin yung okay, so pwede natin makuha yung yung i-model natin pala. Okay, so pwede natin makuha yung residuals yan. Tapos pag i-plot natin, okay, ganito yung kakalabas yan ng residuals guys. Ganito. So, tingnan nyo guys yung yung volatility, no? Ang daming nagkaka-volatility clustering. Ang ibig sabihin ng volatility clustering guys, pag bumabagsak yung price, parang there's a tendency for it to still keep on going down. Okay, pag tumataas naman, there's a tendency for it to keep on going up. Kaya yung volatility niya pataas ng pataas. So ito, take a look at this, no? May mga volatility. So ibig sabihin, there is a need to model yung volatility niya, this time using GARCH. Okay, so parang step 2 yun. Step 1 is the ARIMA, and then step 2 is the model the volatility. Kasi nga hindi constant yung variance. Tingnan nyo. Okay, wala siyang trend. No? Walang trend yung data natin, yung residuals. Wala ring seasonality. Wala. Pero hindi na constant yung variance in some points. Dito, constant na yung variance. Pero dito, sa mga points na to, hindi na constant yung variance. Okay? Right, so let me go back. Okay, so pinakita ko na yun guys for you to appreciate, understand ano yung ine-expect natin dito. So you model the ARIMA, okay, and then model the volatility. Okay, tapos ito guys dapat time series. So for the stock price, you just use the quant mode kasi doon na kayo makakakuha. No? Of course, yung Philippine stock kung yung gagamitin na isa, you'll have to source it from Icon. Okay? Right. So initially guys, ang panel regression naman that will require you, challenge you to view. Marami ng YouTube guys yan. libo-libo na, no? So hindi tayo kukulangin ng information. So, type nyo lang panel regression using R. Okay. Like, basic muna yung introduction para may idea muna kayo. Okay, any questions? Class? Any questions? Okay, thank you, Aubrey. How about the rest, guys? Okay, thank you, Masahiko. Okay, Jeline, salamat. Laika, thank you. Janine. Okay, Gerald, thank you. Okay, Jen, Matthew, salamat, no? Okay, I hope clear sa iba, no? All right, with that, guys, we'll end our discussion for today. Make sure that you get the email addresses, as mag-exchange kayo ng contact details, whatever, Facebook or ano, so that you can start working on your project. Okay, and then Saturday, bago mag-Saturday next week, magsi-scheduling na tayo ng time kung ano yung time na i-present sa akin yung paper niyo. Okay? All right. So with that, guys, let me end our recording first.